Hello everyone, welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. In this video, we will be discussing how to view the public IP of a Linux host or server using the terminal. Currently, I am on my Windows 11 PC and I have opened up the Git bash terminal. To log in to my Linux server, I use the SSH command and enter the server's hostname. As you can see, I am now logged into the Linux server. If I run the command IP -A, I can view the private IP address. Another way to view the private IP associated with the server is by using the ifconfig command. Additionally, the command hostname -i can be used to resolve the hostname to the server's localhost IP address. However, you may be wondering how to view the public IP of the server without opening a browser or installing any third-party programs. The easiest way to view the public IP is by using the curl command. Type curl ifconfig.me. This will give you the public IP address of the server. Another way to view the public IP address is by using the dig command. Type in dig plus sort myip.opendns.com @resolver1.opendns.com and hit enter. This will also give you the public IP address of the server. Okay friends, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.